Hi my friends, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the baby nasal aspirator from Grownsy store. Let's open the pack from Amazon. I have an infant baby. I was thinking something that can help him to breathe a little bit better. Let's open it quickly. Wow, it have a nice box. Let's see what they have inside. Okay, that's great. It have a USB charging C port. This looks to be the different attachment it have. Okay, and it's already hooked up. To open it, it's showing me like this way. I think so the assembly is very easy also. Just I have to put it like this and put it here and do a quick lock. Lock is on the left side. Just take a, and here is the power button. Okay, I think so I have to charge it. It doesn't have any charge, but that's fine. Thanks for watching.